In this video, I will show you how to use Murf AI to create realistic text-to-speech AI voiceovers, and I'll show you how you can get started completely for free. So step number 1 is to click on my link down in the description, and that will take you directly to Murf AI into this page. Now what you can do right here is just go and click on Open Studio on the yellow button here, and here you can actually get started completely for free. So here I'm just going to sign up with Google. So that's all you need to do to sign up to Murf AI. You don't even need to put in any payment information yet. You can do that later if you want to keep using Murf AI. So the first thing we are going to do is search for a voice that we want to use for our project. So when you click right here, it opens up the voice library. Now here you can preview what they sound like by just clicking on the play button right there. Now you can also filter, for example you can choose a voice style for promo, conversational, narration, storytelling, whatever. I'll select storytelling right here, and then it will filter by storytelling voices. Now you can filter by age group and a gender. Now you can also choose a language right here. As you can see, they have a bunch of languages. So if you want to generate your voice in a different language, that's also possible right here. Now I'm going to select US and Canada and click storytelling again. So for example, if I like this voice, then I will click on select right there, and now you can see you have selected this voice. Now here you can select a pitch, so when you increase this you can preview what it sounds like by generating some audio. I just usually keep this to 0 because the standard one is good for me. Now you can also increase or decrease the speed, although I just like to keep this the same as well, because if you like the preview voice then you shouldn't really touch this. Now you can add pauses and select a pronunciation. So if you have a pretty difficult word, for example, somewhere such as an abbreviation or whatever, then you can click on that word like this and select the pronunciation. So then you can make sure that they actually say it correctly, and this is an awesome feature that cannot be found in any other AI voice generators. Personally, I have used 11 Labs a lot and they don't have that feature. So I'm just going to type some text in right here. So I just wrote something right now, and what you can simply do is click on generate audio. Now you can simply select one right here if you want to change it to one of their favorite voices. So for example, I'll select this one, Charles, and now click generate again. So it's really easy, you can just select the voice, or you can also just choose it from here if you want, but it's a really easy process. So personally I like this voice more, so then I would just go ahead and create my script with this voice. Now I'll show you how you can use this pronunciation feature. For example, if I want him to pronounce crypto differently, then you want to just select that and then click pronunciation. Now here you can choose how you would like it to be pronounced. So you can preview it like this, or you can create a custom one. Now he said it correctly, so I'll just keep it like this, but you can just select how you would like the AI to pronounce that word. So that's the easy generator feature, although they have more features than just this. And here in the top right you can see how many minutes you have left in the free plan. So as you can see, you get 10 minutes for free of voice generation, 10 minutes of transcription, and you get 1 GB of storage. So if you want to export one of these, you can click export in the top right. Then you can choose video, voice only, voice and music, or script, and now you can simply go ahead and download it, although you need to upgrade your plan in order to get unlimited downloads. So now what you can also do is click import script right here, and then you can import it from a text or doc file. Then you can also add in media, so you can add in songs or videos, whatever you want to add in. Then they also offer a voice changer feature, so you can drop your audio file and then your voice will be changed. And finally they have a translate feature, so you can translate your current video into a different language instantly using Murf AI. So for this you will need to have the enterprise plan. So I'll go over the pricing plans right now and which one may be best for you. So you can see their pricing plans here. So the free plan you get 2 projects, 10 minutes of voice generation and 1 editor, and in this plan you don't get any downloads, so this plan is basically just for trying it out. But the cheapest plan is only $23 per month, which I think is a pretty good deal since you get 24 hours per year of voice generation, and 24 hours is quite a lot. If you are creating 10-minute videos, that means that you can create 144 videos using this 24 hours. Now in the creator plan you can also upgrade to the plus, and then you get double the hours and you also get more projects. Now if you need more editors or more viewers, as you can see right here, you can upgrade to the business plan, where you also get more hours of voice generation, and you can see you also get a business license, sharing and collaboration, and a few more features. And then finally in the enterprise plan you get everything here. So just see how much you need. For example, if 24 hours per year of voice generation is enough for you, then you just want to select the creator plan at $23. $3 per month. Now for this you get a personal license, so this is good for individual creators, solopreneurs, content creators and freelancers, but if you need business license, then you need the business plan. So the pricing starts at $23 per month if you actually want to download your files and really use Murf AI. So I think this is pretty good pricing, since a voiceover artist is much more expensive for 24 hours per year of voice generation. And I just showed you what they can actually do, and this was just one of their voices, and it actually sounds like a real voiceover artist. So basically you are paying $1 per hour of voice generation, and if you were paying a freelancer that would do it for you, you will be spending up to $500 per hour. So therefore I think Murf AI is definitely worth it, and using my link down in the description you can get started completely for free in the free plan right here, and you don't need a credit card for this, so you can just experiment, see if it is something for you, and if you like it you can choose to upgrade to either creator, business or enterprise plan, although enterprise plan is a bit difficult because you need to contact sales, so this is only for big enterprises. So now you know how to use Murf AI. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.